Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. This is the numbers chapter, subject mathematics, class 6th to 10th. Subtopic is integers Bodmas rule. Okay na? See here in this video we will discuss about the how to simplify the problems. Okay, to simplify arithmetic expressions which involves various operations like brackets, multiplications, addition, etc. Okay, to simplify in simplification process, to simplify arithmetic expressions which involves various operations like brackets, multiplications and additions and subtractions. Okay, when we are simplify the problems, in that situation we have to use some rules, some various operators like brackets, multiplications and additions and subtractions. Here a particular sequence of operation takes place in simplifications. Okay, sequence of operation takes place in simplification. When we are doing simplify the problems, in that situation we have to use some operations like in sequence we have to use operations. Okay na? For example, here 2 plus 3 into 4, here 2 plus 3 into 4, here given 2 plus 3 into 4. Okay, I am doing 2 plus 3 into 5 into 4, we will get how much here? 220. This is the wrong. Why? Because we have to use some operations, some rules. Okay, when here in this problem, when we are doing this problem, you have to do first multiplication. That's why here this is total wrong. Okay, 2 plus 3 into 4 is equal to, first we have to complete multiplication. That's why 2 plus 3 into 4 how much? 12. 2 plus 12 here how much here? 14 is correct answer, not 20 is the wrong answer. That's why only we have to follow the sequence of operations. What is the sequence of operations? Here we'll discuss. Okay na? Here the hierarchy of arithmetic operations is given rule called Bodmas. Okay, here BODMAS rule is there. Okay, based on the BODMAS rule only we can simplify the problem. Now what is Bodmas rule? Now we will start now. Wait, see here in Bodmas rule, B for what here? B for what here? Brackets. B for what here? Brackets. O for off. O means off. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. S means subtract. Okay, in Bodmas rule, B means what here? Brackets. O means what here? Off. D means what here? Division. M means what here? Multiplication. A means what here? Addition. S means what here? Subtract. Okay na? See here again there are 4 types of brackets. There are how many types of brackets? 4 types of brackets. When we are simplify the problem, we have to follow the Bodmas rule, BODMAS. Again the bracket, B for bracket. Brackets also having 4 types. How many types are there here? Brackets are 4 types are there. Now what are the 4 types? Now we will discuss. Okay, listen here. First one is the vinculum. Vinculum means what here? Here 2 plus 3 minus vinculum of 4 plus 3. Okay, vinculum means what? One line above the two numbers or 3 numbers. Okay, see here the figures under the vinculum have to be calculated first. The figures under the vinculum calculated the first. Okay na? And sign before, minus sign before, 4 is applicable to 7 only. See here I am doing this one. 2 plus 3 minus vinculum bracket of the 4 plus 3. First of all we have to do this one. 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 how much here? 7. This is 2 plus 3 5 minus 7, we will get minus 2 is the answer. How much here? Minus 2 is the answer. First of all we have to do the vinculum bracket. Next one here, after vinculum bracket, simple brackets representation like this. Okay, simple brackets, vinculum after simple brackets. Next, third one, curly brackets or flower brackets. These are represented by this type of representation. Okay na? First one vinculum brackets, second one is the simple brackets, third one is the curly brackets. Next fourth one is the square brackets. Fourth one what here? Square brackets represented by like this. Okay, first of all we have to follow the Bodmas rule. when we are simplify the problems, we have to follow the sequence operations. First operation bracket, second operation off means third operation division, fourth operation multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here also again Bodmas is having 4 brackets. Here what? First one vinculum bracket, second one simple bracket, third one curly bracket, fourth one is the square bracket. Then off means again off in the sense multiplication only. Next division, next multiplication, next addition, and last subtractions. Okay na? Here this is important one. Okay, see here next square brackets are represented like this. Okay, here the brackets in expressions we have to open in order of first of all vinculum, second simple brackets, third curly brackets, and fourth one square brackets. That is nothing but representation like this. First of all inner side is the vinculum, open the in vinculum, then only open the simple bracket, then curly bracket or flower bracket, then last here square bracket. Okay, to open from inside to outside means first vinculum, then simple, then curly, then last here square brackets. Okay na? After brackets is O in the Bodmas rule, that stands for off. O is nothing but what here? Off, which means multiplication only, which means what here? Multiplication, which means what here? Multiplication. Okay na? Bodmas means what here? Bodmas is the sequence operation to simplify the problem. So in Bodmas O represents what here? Off is nothing but multiplication. Off is nothing but multiplication. For example, here one example in this, see here 1 by 2 of 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 4, we will get 2 answer. Okay, after off means after O, the next operation is D. D means division. The next operation is what here? Division. Okay, next division after M means what here? Multiplication. Okay, after multiplication A means what here? Addition. Next to S means what here? Subtraction. See here, after of the next operation is division, it stands for division. This is followed by M, which stands for multiplication. After multiplication A that stands for addition will be performed, then S meant for subtraction is performed. For example, here doing a problem, first what here na bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here 4 into 3 minus 2 plus 16 divided by 18. First of all we have to observe bracket is there na? No brackets. Off is there na? No off. Division is there? Just division is there. First of all we have to consider the division. I am writing 4 into 3 minus 2 plus 16 divided by 8. 4 into 3 minus 2, 16 divided by 8, 2, 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, we will get how much? 2. Next what here? After division, multiplication, 4 3 ja, 12, minus 2 plus 2. Again doing addition, plus 2 plus 12, how much? Plus 14, minus 2 is there. Again subtraction, answer how much you will get? 12 is the answer. 12 is the answer. Okay, 12 is the answer. You understand this one? Right, okay, next one. Next one more problem is there. See here, one more problem is there. See here, 12 divided by 4 minus 3 into 6 plus 7. First of all, bottom of the right side, BODMAS, no brackets, no offs, division is there. That's why 12 by 4 I am writing first, minus 3 into 6 plus 7. 12 by 4 how much? 3. Next to division completed, next to multiplication is there, 3 into 18 plus 7. Okay na? Excuse me. See here, 12 by 4 we will get how much? 3. Division over. Next what here remains? Multiplication. 3 into 6 I am doing multiplication. 3 into 6 how much here? 18 plus 7. Here plus 3 minus 18 plus 7. Here my plus 7 plus 3 how much? Plus 10 minus 18. Plus 10 minus 10 means subtraction. Okay, minus 8 is the answer. Minus 8 is the answer. Okay, this is the next question. Now one more question is there. When we are seeing this question, this is question very big na? No, don't worry. Okay, we have to be confident. Okay, then you can do easily any type of question, Now here 92 minus square bracket start 18 plus 16 divided by 4, flower bracket 26 minus simple bracket 14 minus 7 minus 3 vinculum, bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close. This is the problem. We have to simplify this one. Very simple, don't worry. First of all, we have to go to the rule. I am writing rule here. BODMAS. In BO, vinculum first. Second one is the simple bracket. Third one is the curly bracket. Fourth one is the square bracket. First one vinculum. I am doing only vinculum only. Okay, first step here vinculum is there. Below the vinculum 7 minus 3 is there. Remains all constant. Okay, here 7 minus 3 means how much? 4. Here instead of 7 minus 3, vinculum of 7 minus 3 I am writing 4. Okay, in first step to second step vinculum over. Now second step remains what here? Simple bracket is there. Simple bracket. What here? Simple bracket is there. I want to remove the simple bracket. That's why I am doing in simple bracket only. Here second step what here? 14 minus 4 in simple brackets is there. Na? I am 14 minus 4. We will get how much? 10. I will get. We get how much here? 10. How much you got? 10. That's why I want to close the simple bracket also. Second to third step what here? Simple bracket also over. Simple bracket also over. Next I want to do flower bracket. I want to close the flower bracket. Here in flower bracket what are there? 26 minus 10. 26 minus 10 means what here? 16. 26 minus 10 what here? 16. Okay. Now completed. 16 also complete. Now flower bracket over. Okay. Next after flower bracket what are they here? Okay, square bracket is there. Here two things are there. Square bracket also consider one Bodmas rule. First of all, you have to apply the Bodmas rule in the square bracket. Otherwise, we can open also square bracket also. I want to open the square bracket. Okay, here before square bracket, here minus sign is there. When we have to open the bracket, any bracket, not square bracket, any bracket, you have to multiply the minus to all plus and minuses. Here I am doing here plus 18. Here minus into plus how much we will get? Minus 8. Minus we will get. Okay na? Minus 18. Okay. Minus into plus again minus only. Here also minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. Okay. Divided into common. There is no change in. Okay. When we are multiply with minus into plus, you will get minus. Minus into plus again will get minus. Now in this step I want to close the square bracket. I want to close the square bracket. Okay, here minus 18 minus 16 divided by 4 into 16 up to here brackets over. Up to here brackets so completed. Brackets over. Next I am considering the division rule. I am considering the division. There is no off. Okay, here division is there. 16 divided by 4. That's why 16 divided by 4 is nothing but how much here? 4. How much here? 4. 16 divided by 4 is nothing but how much? 4. In this here division also completed. Division also completed. What's remaining? Multiplication remaining. 4 into 16. How much you will get? Here 64. Multiplication also over. Multiplication also over. Total how much here? 92 minus 18 minus 64. Minus 18 minus 64. Totally how to add these two? How much here? Minus 82. Minus 82. Minus 18 minus 64. You will get how much? Minus 82 here. Next to total. How much? 92 minus 82 plus 10. This is the answer. Okay, I am doing once again, don't worry. I am writing problem which 92 minus square bracket start 18 plus 16 divided by 4 bracket start vinculum, here doing vinculum, bracket close again, bracket close. This is the problem I am writing. First of all, I want to remove the vinculum as it is remaining as it is. Okay, 7 minus 3 will get 4, small bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. 92 minus square bracket start 18 plus 16 divided by 4. I want to remove the simple bracket. In simple bracket 14 minus 4 is there. I am writing 10. Curly bracket 92 minus 18 plus 16 divided by 4. 26 minus 10 how much here? 26 minus 10 how much here? 16. Okay, now here we can do two types. First one is the 92 minus, multiply with minus 2 bracket, minus here plus minus into plus minus 18 minus into plus minus 16 divided by 4 into 16 as it is. Next multiplication, 92 minus 18 minus 16, sorry, division is there, before multiplication one division is there, into 16. Instead of 4 into 16 I am writing 92 minus 18, 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 4 ja 4 into 16, division also over. Okay, division also over. Now next multiplication, 92 minus 18, 64 multiply, we will get how much here, 92 minus 82, answer is the plus 10. Okay, up to here same, here also up to here same. I want to here, when we are apply the Bodmas within the bracket here 92 minus bracket start, division completed means 18 plus 16 by 4 into 16. Okay, now 92 minus, I am applying Bodmas rule within the bracket, both are correct, both process are correct. Okay, here 18 plus 4 1 ja 4 4 ja 4 into 16, here 92 18 4 6 ja 64, 4 16 ja how much, 64, here 82 minus 92 minus 82, again we will get how much answer, plus 10 only. Okay na, this is the problem. Okay, next one. If P means multiplication, if P means what here, multiplication, Q means division, R means addition, S means subtraction, then find the value of 36P, 48Q, 16R, 15S, 23. Simple, don't worry. Okay, I am writing 36P, 48Q, 16R, 15S, 23. Okay, 36P for what here? Multiplication. I am doing just simple multiplication symbol. 48Q means division 16, R means addition plus 15, S means subtraction minus 23. This is the question. Now first I am applying a division. Why? Because brackets and offs are not there. 36 into 48 divided by 16 plus 15 minus 23 as it is. 16 1 ja 16 3 ja 3 plus 15 minus 23. Next is the multiplication, 36 into 3 108 plus 15 minus 23, here plus both plus are there, that's why addition. 108 plus 15 how much, 123 plus minus 23, we will get plus 100 is the answer, plus 100 is the answer. Okay na, simple. See here, 36P, 48Q, 16R, 15S, 23. Instead of P I am writing into, instead of Q I am writing division, R plus S minus. Okay, first according to Bodmas rule, first we have to complete these two. That's why 16 divided by 3 how much we will get, 3. Okay, next step these two, 36 into 3 multiplication 108 plus these two 123, last minus 100 we will get. Okay, in next class we will discuss in next topic. Okay, you should watch this video 2 times because some problems are there na, 2 times. Thank you very much. Right.